Hi children, today we are going to learn 7th standard term 1 geometry example 5.1. Find angle AOC. This is angle AOC. This angle is divided into two. AOB is one angle and BOC, this is another angle. We'll add these two angles together gives you AOC. So AOC is nothing but AOB plus BOC. Now we need to find AOC. So we know that AOC is AOB plus BOC. So AOB angle is 51 degree. So AOB angle is 51 degree plus BOC angle is 46 degree. 51 degree plus 46 degree is 97 degrees. Next is your example 5.2. If POQ equal to 23 degree. So POQ, only this angle is 23 degree and POR 62 degree, the whole thing. POR, this whole thing is 62 degree. Then find angle QOR. QOR. We know that POR, the whole angle is, we'll divide this into two. POQ plus QOR. The two angles will give you the together. So POR equal to POQ first part plus QOR the second part. So we know the POR, according to the question, it is 62 degree equal to POQ. POQ is 23 degree plus we need to find angle QOR. So to find the value of this, we'll take this plus 23 to another side, it becomes minus 23. So 62 minus 23 degree is 39 degrees. Therefore the value of QOR, so only this part is 39. To check whether it is correct or wrong, 39 plus 23, the total is 62 degrees. 39 plus 23 gives you the whole angle, that is 62 degrees. Next is your example 5.3. Which of the following pair of adjacent angle will make a linear pair? So when you add adjacent angles, you should get 180 degrees so that it will be linear. Now let us add these two adjacent angles. 89 degree plus 91 degree, 180. So it is linear pair. 105 degree plus 65 degree, that is 170. That is not equal to 180 degree. So it is not a linear pair. 117 degree, 62 degree. When you add these two, your answer is 179, which is not equal to 180 degree. So it is not a linear pair. 40 degree, 140 degree. When you add these two, you will get 180 degrees. So it is a linear pair. When you add the adjacent angle, if it is 180 degree, it is a linear pair. Otherwise, it is not a linear pair. Next is our example 5.4. Find the missing angle. So this angle we need to find. Now ACD, angle ACD plus BCD, the two adjacent angles. Just now we saw, when you add the adjacent angles, it will be linear pair. Now we'll add the both adjacent angle so that you should get 180 degree. So ACD, angle ACD value is 123 degree plus BCD value, we don't know, BCD let it be. When you add the adjacent angle, you should get 180 degrees. So to find the value of angle BCD, 123 degree when taken to other side becomes minus 123 degrees. So your answer is 57 degrees. Next, Roman letter 2, we'll add the adjacent angle LNO plus MNO together should give you 180 degrees. LNO value is 46 degrees plus MNO, we doesn't know the value, let it be, equal to 180 degrees. To find MNO, the nearby number when taken to other side becomes plus 46, when taken to other side becomes minus 46. 180 degree minus 46 is 134 degrees. Next is our example 5.5. Two angles are in the ratio 3:2. The two angles are in the ratio 3:2 if they are linear pair. Linear pair means when you add those two angles, you should get 180 degree. Find them. So 3:2 means let the angles be 3x, 2x. 3x, 2x. Since it is given linear pair, we will add these two. 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x is 5x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree divided by 5. 5 divides 180 degree 36 times. So 36 degree. The value of x is 36 degree. The first linear pair is 3x. 3x means 3 into x. 3 into, we know the value of x, that is 36. 3 into 36, 108 degree. So we'll take it as a 2 linear pair if one of the side is 108 degree. And 2x. 2x means 2 into 36. 2 into 36 is 72 degree. So this is 72 degrees. Now we'll check whether it is a linear pair. 108 degree, 72 degrees, 180 degrees. So it is a linear pair. So the value of one angle is 36 degree, value of another angle is 72 degrees. Next is your example 5.6. Find the measure of angle ROS. ROS. So this angle is missing, we'll find out. So this is a linear pair, we'll add all the adjacent angles so that we should get 180 degree. First angle we'll add QOR plus ROS plus SOP equal to, we'll add all the adjacent angles. So this is an angle on a straight line, 180 degrees. A value of QOR is 26 degrees. ROS, we doesn't know the value, let it be as it as. SOP is 32 degrees. So equal to 180 degree. So 26 degree plus 32 degree is 58 degree plus ROS equal to 180 degree. Plus 58 when taken to other side becomes minus 58 degree. So that is 122 degrees. Next is your example 5.7. Find the value of x degree. Here we have to find all the angles. In this sum, we have to find all the angles. Since it is not a straight line, we have to find all the angles. So angle number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll find out all the angles and we'll add all the angles. So that 98 degrees plus 23 degrees plus 76 degree plus 8 degree equal to 360 degree. The whole thing gives you 360 degrees. So 98 degree plus 23 degree plus 76 degree. When you add all the numbers, you will get 197 degrees. So 360 degree minus 197 degrees. So plus 197 when taken to other side becomes minus 197. Your answer is 163 degrees. The value of x, this portion is 163 degrees. Thank you, children.